Hi, this is Dr. Williams. This is week 2, and I'm discussing the vocabulary assignment. In other words, how do I? So, do you guys find the idea of vocabulary frightening? You know, it's supposed to make you feel brave, safe, knowledgeable, and educated. Some of you aren't going to go for that, are you? Listen to this. I hope it will calm your fears. We have 2 vocabulary assignments due this semester, only 2. One's due in the first half of the semester, and the other is, you guessed it, due in the second half. That gives y'all some time to consider, build your lists, work on it each time before the Vocabulary 1 or Vocabulary 2 assignment is actually due. So here's some FAQs and my answers to them. Number 1, what are parts of the assignment? Part A, choosing the words or terms that you don't understand, and then learning and understanding the meaning from the reading material. That's called context. Part B, writing that particular definition. Part C, writing a complete sentence you make up demonstrating your understanding of that meaning. And Part D, submitting this document to assignments both times. Yes, I want it turned into assignments. Number 2 FAQ. What's so important about this? Well, one of our course outcomes is to use edited American English in essays. In fact, in everything. If you really understand the terms you're reading, you can do that. Reading and writing go together. If we don't know what we're supposed to understand from reading, we can't write. And if we can't write clear English, we aren't fulfilling the outcomes and requirements for college, i.e., you won't get through. You need vocabulary and writing skills for many of your courses. That's just basic. Vocabulary, that word just means the bank of words we know how to use to communicate. We have to communicate for everything. Think about it. Work, school, emergencies, extracurricular activities, child raising, blah, blah, you name it. We have to be able to communicate. Your texting and email are communicating. Employers want employees who can use basic standard English, reading and writing as correctly as possible. Okay, FAQ number 3. Where do I get these terms? From the essays and other material you read this semester, so forth. Number 5. How many words do you want? At least 15 to 20 in each submission. A bare minimum, therefore, of 30 total. If there must be exceptions, please let me know before you turn each of these ones in. For example, if you need fewer words. Okay, back to number 4. This says in the module for this week is a link to an example of what this might look like. We are going to jump down to that example and walk through it right now. So come with me. Let's have a look. Here we go. I looked up the word hierarchy. That is how it is pronounced. Page 23 of your reader. There are all these bullet point definitions. Oh my gosh. Including any system of persons or things ranked one above another, government by ecclesiastical rulers, an organized body of ecclesiastical officials, angels, the divisions of the angels, each made up of 3 orders. Wow, 6 bullet points. What do I do now, Dr. Williams? Go back to the original sentence in your text, whichever text it is. Here it is from your book. Quote, Maslow's hierarchy of needs, as it is called, is often illustrated as a pyramid, like the one in figure 3.2. Now, consider which of these definitions seems to make the best sense in your sentence. I suggest, if you need to, rewrite or type the sentence from that page or from that document with the definition that you're going to use in it, not the original term. If it makes sense, great. If it seems to be crazy, you might throw that definition out. Let me show you what that might look like. I'm going to start the original sentence right here. Maslow's, insert government by ecclesiastical rulers, as it is called, is often illustrated as a pyramid. Maybe. Again, begin the same sentence and put in another definition. Maslow's insert power of, or dominion of a hierarch, as it is called, is often illustrated. I don't think that works. Let's try the first definition. Here we go. Maslow's insert system of persons or things ranked one above another, as it is called, is often illustrated as a pyramid like the one in figure 3.2. That makes sense to me, so I'm going to go with that. Here, therefore, would be my entry in my vocab document. Hierarchy, noun, system of persons or things ranked one above another. I need only the one definition. Sentence from the reader. I'm going to write it again. Maslow's hierarchy of needs, as it is called, is often illustrated as a pyramid, like the one in figure 3.2. I'm going to come up with my own sentence to prove that I know what this word means. All corporations like Walmart seem to have a hierarchy of workers. Yes, that's what I want. I hope that's helpful. Please let me know of questions. Thank you.